Continuing on, CNC break number 4706, we've got the Ultimate 1314 and the Dominion. We've got for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Marian Gaborik. Gaborik to $4.99. For the Minnesota Wild, Johan Gustafsson, number to $4.99. We've got for the Boston Bruins, 97 Legends autograph, Johnny Bucyk. Johnny Bucyk, 97 Legends auto. And we've got for the Vancouver Canucks, Ultimate Rookie Signatures, Jordan Schrader. Not too bad. Yeah, we need some avalanche for you, Roller Man. We've got for the Red Wings, number to $2.99, Jimmy Howard base. We've got a private signings autograph, number to $1.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Scott Laughton. This could be really nice. Oh yeah. We've got a complete sweaters jersey prime patch fight strap for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Alex Ovechkin. Complete sweaters. That's pretty sexy. We've got for the Columbus Blue Jackets, numbered 4/5, Emerald base, Marian Gaborik. Marian Gaborik, 4/5. Wow, that was a hell of a pack. We've got numbered 79/299, Dominion rookie patch auto for the Nashville Predators, Philip Forsberg. Philip Forsberg with an absolutely awesome swatch. And for the Ottawa Senators, 2-color autograph patches number to 99, Eric Gryba.